In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI thumbnail for a football video. Here you can see more or less what we're going to do. So to have a result like the ones you are seeing here, we have to go in novoads AI, to go to the image section and use the following settings for the image. Now here we have to use this prompt that I'm going to put in the comment section. And here in title, we need to write the title of our video. For example, this one. Now here, let's put the same that I put here, because the overlay text is the text that will appear in the thumbnail. So let's put nobody noticed this. And in reference image, I recommend you to upload an image of reference about your video. But in my case, I don't have any image. So let's erase this. And now let's click here. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 30 seconds. Perfect. Here we have the result. And as you can see, the quality of the thumbnails are amazing. So if you want to try this platform, I want to tell you that you can do it for just $1. This if you are a new user. So well, see you in the next video.